After entering all your employee into the software, next we'll move on how to generate a payroll. Now we're here on the top navigation bar. We could hit the payroll menu and it takes us to the payroll page. And here we have the new payroll button. We click the new payroll and it takes us to the payroll form, add payroll form. Now we have to fill out the information, the title for payroll. Let's say you have to give it a title. Creating September payroll, September 2020. Our salary class, it's fixed rated or time rated based on the employees you have. The payment frequency, whether you pay them fortnightly, weekly, or monthly. And the date for the payroll, we have the date from. Since it's September payroll, we'll have to select the start date as September 1st and the end date as September 30th. If you have any company branch, you would select the branch, and the pay sheet and payslip format is required, so we have to select one. Now the system is have its own default pay sheet and the payslip format. Here we want to check this auto update button. So if at any point we go back to update anything for an employee, say add a commission or add an absent, something we missed, their salary will be updated once this auto update button is checked, box is checked, sorry. And here now all the employees who are fixed rated, who are being paid a fixed rated salary on a monthly basis, we'll see them we'll see all of them at the bottom here. And now we can be able to select which employee we want to add on the payroll, and also we have this drop down here to select which salary we have. If more than one salary is assigned to this employee, we could select which one we have. Here we could see a different salary we could select. Yes, and once we finish selecting everything and with choosing the employee and their salary, we just save, and the payroll created. Here we have the title, the payment frequency, the salary class, the date from, the date to, if the auto update box was checked, all the employees that are on the payroll, the date it was created and who created it. And under the actions column, we could click here to view the pay sheet. This is what the pay sheet would look like with all the employees selected, their information, salaries. And we have the pay slip. Click on that button, it takes us to the pay slip. Okay, here we have these buttons at the top here, and we click this here for the PDF, and we click this here to print, and we could be able to print this payslip and give to employees. Same here with the pay sheet at the top. We could download our pay sheet to an Excel format, we could get the PDF format, and also we could print. This button here allows us to edit the payroll. If we want to adjust anything on the payroll, we edit it, and then we save, and this here deletes the payroll. Now this button here, this magnifying glass button, that's by itself. Here if we click on this here, we can be able to approve and reject the payroll. To the left there, we could see all the information on the payroll, and we have the approve and the reject button at the top here, and also we have all the employees that are on the payroll. Here we could change their salary. If it's not the correct salary, we could change it, or we could delete this employee if they are not supposed to be on the payroll. After we finish doing these checks, we could approve or reject the payroll. So once the payroll is approved, we go back to the payroll dashboard, and under the actions column here we could see these other reports. For example, the NIS report, the PAYE form, we have the NIS text file. Here on the NIS report, this is what we will submit to NIS. You can see all the information is filled, and we could, at the top here, we could get the PDF format, and we can print. The PAYE form, PAYE form, sorry. We click on that button, it takes us to the PAYE report. This form is what we submit to GRA. You can see all the information is filled up. We could get the PDF format, and we could print. And if the information is not correct on the form, we could edit.